Taking my pups for a little stroll. It's Black Heart Kennels. My man with the black, Sakari. My girl with the pink on is Zelda. And my man with the blue on is Joe Frazier. Yeah. Joe Frazier from Beaufort, South Carolina, where Jocko from. Yeah, these termite dogs. So we going back to the root of things, you dig? Yeah, I keep seeing all this extra shit, you know, North Carolina, South Carolina connection. That's what we do. Huh? Hey, Sakari. I'm gonna choke on something.
Son is sick.
Nah, he ain't sick. Yeah. Get around or something. Got a little cold man of water. Little rain. I'm gonna get him right though. Yeah, very active pups though. Hey, Sakari. Get in there. Hey, son. Hey, son. Hey, son. Hey, son. Hey, son. She don't care about that. All that growling, boy. You know, you gotta let your pups play. Let them be pups sometimes. Pup play. This man over here. Joe Frazier just chilling. He gotta use the bathroom. Hey, JoJo. Hey, Zelda. Hey, Zelda. You know, I'm old school, so I keep them 9 to 5s on me. Mm-hmm. Hey, JoJo. Hey, Joe Frazier. Hey, Joe Frazier. Hey, Joe Frazier. Hey, JoJo. Hey, Sakari. Hey, Kari. Hey, JoJo. Hey. Hey, son. It's all active, man. Let's keep walking. Let's show them how we got these pups, you know what I'm saying, to do what grown dogs don't do. Let's go. Come on, Kari. Let's go, son. Catch up. Catch up, son.
Where we going? We going that way or that way?
It don't matter.
I'll go
Let's go, son.
Come on, Miss.
You know, we ain't got to pull our hounds, you know. Young age, it's what we do with them. When they're young, you got to teach them, man.
Auntie Martin's still going to work?
Every day, like these dogs, they working. She work every day. She a gang. She gang. She gonna keep getting that cash and like my dogs. Damn right, like me, just like me. You gonna get it.
You still playing?
Yeah. Go ahead and go ahead, separate. Go ahead, somebody go. Separate. Nobody touch nothing. No more touching. Okay. It's work. It's work. Leah, go front. Go. Let me show you how these little young dogs work, bro. Go ahead, Leah. Go in the front. Trying to be, you know, determination, bro. Hate to be in the back. So, your dog ain't determined as a puppy. I gonna be determined as a grown up. Man, fuck all that shit. I'm talking about, oh, they gonna do that. They got to show you signs of a young one. You heard me? Every nigga that was great showed you signs as a young one. Every athletic person, they had those traits. That's who brung it out of him. You know? And as you can see, that's the female up front, and these the male. Look at him. You hear him? You hear him? Yeah, he want to be the front. Go ahead. Go ahead, Leah. Turn around. Tatiana, you go first.
All right.
Tatiana, go ahead first. You know. Go ahead. Leah, hold your dog for a minute. You know? Hey, Sakari. Let's go, son. You know. Yeah. Go ahead, Tatiana. You gotta walk him. Gotta walk him. Who's using the bathroom? Using the bathroom. Go ahead. Walk yours, Tati. Leah, I want to see how she react. But go ahead. You go first, Leah.
Me?
Yeah, go.
I just want to see how she reacts.
So go ahead. Do your thing.
What was that about?
I just want to see determination, man. Drive, man. A little puppy, man. Huh? Yeah. See that? Come on. Let her go. Hey, Zelda. Hold her real quick. Let me see what she do. Let me see if she holler for it. Stop. Come on. Tatiana, stop. Follow me. No, I'm just trying to see something, man. Come on. Let's go, son. Let's go, son. Let's go, son. Let's go, son. Hold your dog. Huh? Fly, termination. You hear it? Huh? Focus. Let's go, son. Come on, Sakari. Hey, Sakari. Let's go, son. Let's go, son. Wait for the sister.
Father, this dog keeps trying to bite my jacket.
Yeah, she like to use that mouth.